In this video, I am going to show you how to add hover effects in WordPress using Divi. Hover effects are small animations or style changes that happen when someone moves their mouse over text, buttons, or images. They make your site feel more interactive and professional. If you try this in the default WordPress editor, you will notice there are almost no built-in hover options. You would normally need custom CSS or extra plugins to create even a simple hover animation. That can be tricky if you are not comfortable with code. With Divi, it is much easier. You can follow along using the link in the description. Open the page where you want to add a hover effect and enable the Divi Builder. Choose the module you want to edit, like a button, text block, or image, and open its settings. Inside the Design tab, you will see styling options such as colors, text size, borders, shadows, and filters. Next to most settings, there is a small hover icon. Click on it and you will see two tabs, one for the normal state and one for the hover state. For example, set the normal background color of the button to purple. Then switch to the hover tab and change the background color to green. Now, when someone moves their mouse over the button, it will smoothly change from purple to green. You can do the same with images by adjusting filters, brightness, or adding a slight zoom effect. For text, you might want to change color, underline, or add a shadow on hover. You can even animate borders or scale elements up and down. You can also add other effects. For example, in the hover state, you can increase the text size slightly, change the text color, or add a shadow around the button. Divi also lets you set the transition duration so the effect feels smooth instead of instant. After you finish, click the green check mark to save the module, then update the page. If you view the page live and hover over the button, you will see the effect in action. If you'd like to try Divi yourself, click the link in the description to get it from Elegant Themes at a great price.